Hello friends, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to clear Chrome browser history and cookies in any PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, open the Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome. In a Google Chrome, at the top, we find three dot. Click on this three dot in a Google Chrome. Scroll down and here we find settings. Click on the settings. Here we find settings. Click on the settings. In settings, we find many options. Go to the privacy and security. Click on privacy and security. Here we find delete browsing data. Click on the delete browsing data. And here we find delete browsing data. Go to the basics or advanced. Advanced show many options. If you want to advanced, then go to the advanced, select all. If you select password and other sign-in data, it's also delete your passwords and other sign-in data, or remove your password and sign-in data from your Google Chrome. I don't check it. And go to the basics. If you want to the basics, I go to the always advanced and here select all time. If you want to 24 hours, then 24 hours, 7 days or 4 weeks, then 4 weeks, or go to the all time. And here we find many things. I check all things. If you want to select only browsing history and the cookies, then select only cookies and browsing history and click on the delete data. Wait for a few seconds and all history and cookies are removed or delete or clear from the your Google Chrome web browser. So guys, this is the simplest way to clear Chrome browser history and cookies from any PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.